Hello everyone. In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate how to show the entire contents of a file at any given commit, and not just the patch. This is useful when you need to view all of the source code in a file at a particular point, and not just the patch that was committed. I'll also show you how to diff or vim diff from said version to the current version using process substitution. I will be demonstrating with a few Git commands, but the main takeaway is the Git-Show command. Let's jump right in. The first thing we'll do is Git clone the repository fogproject.git. I forked this repo to my GitHub profile for convenience. I did git clone before I started recording, but it should take you about 5 minutes. We'll do a git show stat and choose a file at random, which is only one. Now we'll do a git log oneline and scope only to this file and go a few revisions back. And we'll choose this commit. If we do a git show commit hash -- file name, we will see just the patch that was committed for that file. If we want to see the file in its entirety, we type git show # file name. And here we have it. Now, if we want to diff or vim diff from said version to the current version, wherever head is, we can use process substitution. Do \enter to do a multi-line command. Now, if you're not familiar with process substitution, basically what it does is it takes the output of this command, dumps it into a file, a temporary file, and replaces this entire piece with that file name. Likewise, it takes the output of this command, dumps it in a file, temporary file, and replaces this piece with that file as well. So now if we hit enter, according to vimdiff, just 2 lines differ. 56 from both and 58 from both. If you want to exit vimdiff all at once, you do quit all ! And we could also use diff as well. And it tells us the exact same thing. Lines 56 from both files differ, and lines 58 from both files differ. Thank you for your time and have a great day.